KnightCTF. Yo, Gak. Jack?
Yeah.
What up? Yes, let's go.
Cool.
KnightCTF, we're on.
Yeah. Are you streaming?
Yeah, I just turned it on. I'm about to go make a coffee real quick.
Yeah, go.
Digital forensics, boot to root, reverse engineering, and networking. Do I have Ghidra installed? No. I'm gonna install Ghidra.
I don't have anything, just a few tools.
Yeah. Alright, I'm installing Ghidra. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Suka should be in here soon. We got our first one, digital forensics boot to root. It's already 0 points. Oh, they keep spawning in. Okay. Oh. Somebody already solved Void Echo? Alright, someone already solved it. I think Suka already solved it. Attackers used to crash the service in a lifeline embedded in the system's help menu to phone home to their command server. What is the username of the attacker and what is the connected superior URL value? What? Oh, it's for the same one, I think.
Why do we have these files for a virtual machine?
What?
Oh, never mind.
Is Event Horizon tied to Void Echo? Oh, the description and user's password reward for all 6 challenges in the series. Okay. Download links all contain same files. Okay.
Are you downloading the VM?
Yes. Gigabytes of Windows. What? The intrusion signatures are highly unusual. Preliminary analysis suggests that the perpetrator was applying custom personal bot script. Tiger treats this corporate workstation as if it were their own home server, but they made many mistakes. Not only that, they embedded a lifeline backdoor within the system's innocent looking out. Attacker used to crash the service in a lifeline embedded in the system's help menu to phone home to their command server. What's the username of the attacker? Okay, so we have to download all these. Alright. Download all these.
KnightCTF channel KiraSec.
I'm stimming. What is this? Attacker treated this corporate workstation as with their own home server. Our initial investigation told someone changed any of the usernames to make their own name, but initially I forgot the name. Not only that, they embedded a lifeline backdoor within the system's innocent looking help and support config. Then they make mistakes in some history and other forms of user accounts. Their footprint may be their access point. I think they forgot to remove it. Maybe you can get something there without alerting the corporate firewall. They rewired the workstation's internal networking. They tampered with local DNS mappings and stored hidden Wi-Fi profiles, essentially tricking the machine into routing traffic to the attacker's home environment. Deep digging, we see that something is different with others' file systems, and also notice the attackers hide some contracts from us and some disposable note. Admin 2 working with user 5 for something related to website development. Admin 2 made a mistake. His footprint with their password has been released in that user's account. That's how the attacker privileged from user to admin. Help me find out attacker and give, this is all broken English. Help me find out attacker and give me every information in this list above so we can find out that attacker. Then we use law enforcement to recover our money. Note this description user password will work for all 6 challenges. Where's Suka? Alright, those are all downloading still. No one solved Event Horizon yet. Are the files numbered based on shell? One is. Where did that go? Alright, let's try this. Networking reconnaissance. Ooh, PCAP. I don't have Wireshark installed either. Let's install that. There's PCAP zip. Alright, so now what we can do is go to CTF, make directory, KnightCTF.
Why is the echo 0 points?
I don't know. That one started off as 0.
Yeah. Should they play that one or even correct?
Suka just solved that one.
Oh, okay, so we don't have to.
No.
That was just don't. So do we still need the Windows files or whatever?
Yes, because all those files will be used for all the digital forensic boot to root challenges. A mid-size, I'm doing the reconnaissance one right now. A mid-sized e-learning company, Nightblog, recently detected suspicious activity on their infrastructure as a lead forensic. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh, phew. I thought I just made coffee, but didn't put a mug under it, so I thought it was just spilling everywhere. That was good. You've been called in to investigate. The IT team has provided you 3 packet captures taken at different stages of what appears to be a coordinated cyber attack. Your mission is to analyze these captures, trace the footsteps, and uncover the scope of the breach. Question: our IDS flagged some scanning activity in the first capture. The attacker was probing our network to identify potential entry points. Analyze the traffic and determine how many ports were found to be opened on the target system. Oh, okay, interesting. So we're going to analyze an Nmap. Okay.
What up, dude?
What up?
So what was the first one? You downloaded the virtual machine and what?
User 3's password is the flag.
What?
User 3 password is the flag. It's in the description, dude.
I don't understand what happened.
What does Nmap use?
It's
ICMP?
in short, in general. Wait,
I'm doing the web.
WordPress.
check gender.
Yeah, I saw that. So user 3. Oh, right. Yeah, I read that actually, but I was too busy like fixing the shit. It's like whatever. I actually read that shit.
Okay.
Fuck. It's like what the fuck? This guy song this fast.
Okay, so 102 is the target. So how do I go in Wireshark and add destination as a... Oh, I can probably do it here. There we go. Apply as filter. There we go. So we need to somehow tally all the destination ports. Test chat. In Wireshark PCAP. How to tell total ports discovered by an attacker.
What up?
What up? Maybe we need to... Oh, there we go. Destination port. So we have 1,
Oh, points are
2.
well, they're solving. I'm trying buff.
Three. Is it 3? Port 80, that random one, and then 22. Oh shit, I have one try remaining. Uh-oh. What does gray mean? That didn't work.
I'm stream sniping you now.
Port 22. Port 80. So let's do this. Destination port 80. Port 443. Port 4291. Maybe 4? I have 2 attempts remaining.
Wait, what?
And map. Recap. Capture. What about Grok? Is Grok gonna load? Yeah. I need to figure out how to tally these totals up. I see there's 22, 80, 443. So that's 3. I have nmap, pcap, nmap scan, pcap capture. How can I determine total ports discovered from pcap file? Count unique destination ports that received at least one SYNAC reply. Oh, so they completed the handshake. Open the pcap wireshark, apply this filter. One, 2, 3. Oh. That's what I see. What was the attacker? 103, I thought? Or 104? Synac coming back from the targets. 102. $38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. I have 0 tries remaining. What?
That's bullshit.
Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, maybe 28? Not accepted. I have 0 tries remaining.
1 week to try.
Yeah, because it's saying if it completed the... It's using the TCP handshake to validate a port was open, so the filter was everything that sent a SYN-ACK, but I added it up wrong because these sources aren't even the same thing. So it should be 0x12 for TCP ports, and you need to add another filter for source is 102. So it should be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh god, I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I think it might be 26 for reconnaissance.
When we did 526.
Yeah, the flag format's KCTF number.
It's 526.
It's not?
Nope. Wait, not accepted. You have 0 tries remaining.
Oh, shit. I burned yours also? Oh, damn it.
Yeah, doesn't matter, man. What was that about? I was trying the WA.
Oh, man, my bad. Okay.
I felt good.
So did we solve anything else?
There's the reverse engineering, digital forensics, reconnaissance. Let's try this web app one. You can't
Oh, this is
get
another one.
fired.
I tried the night cloud. It just popped up. There was there. And the points are dropping for WAF, so you should try as well.
Yeah, I'm gonna try WAF right now. I'm still waiting for the Windows ones to download.
Yeah.
Let's do KnightCTF.
If I really need that.
The reversal. Read the source. It says invalid inputs are dot dot and %. But there's something wrong with the dev index.
The chat, why do you need those files?
Because those are all used for all the digital forensics and boot to root.
Oh. I thought you were trying the wider goal.
Alright, so this one. Why does this not want to load now? What are we doing here? There we go. Something went wrong. Input your name.
Yeah, but that's the hooray.
After request, index file name string. If dot dot in file name or percent in file name, return no, not like that. Okay.
Yeah. I didn't try with burp, but it's the same.
We have to get flag.txt. It's asking for your name though. This is taking forever. After request index file name string index.html if dot dot in file name. So if we do dot dot flag dot txt, it should say not like that. No. What? How do we trigger that?
Yeah, I didn't manage to trigger that.
Input. Get .html.
Good morning.
Yo, Brad. Good morning. If you want to do this, Brad, you're more than welcome. We're doing the KnightCTF. You can join the team. Team name KiraSec. Passes KiraSec. I'm seeing if maybe it's taking an A parameter, because input A and then it's curly bracketed. But this thing is just not working.
KiraSec. Thank you. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, I got a bunch of different challenges. App after request. Why is this taking so long? Let's see. Something wrong. It's not taking A. What is So local file inclusion or path traversal. Normal looking parts, it's simple. Uses get, the strange a equals a attribute is invalid HTML. Most browsers just ignore it. When you type EG jack. This is not HTML, this is Python Flask using the app. Server's probably written in Flask. There's like some routes that look like this. App route, backslash, path, file name. Return, send file, send path. With open, the developer tried to block path traversal. What is this challenge? Oh, so it's asking for file name. Oh. So what if we do this? File name equals flag.txt. Is that the parameter it wants? No. Double encoded if it's not recursive. It is using Python, but how do you know what parameter it's supposed to be using? Oh, maybe it's not parameter. Maybe it's literally just web rooted. Like that. There we go. That is it. Okay. No, es follow na. What does that mean? No, not like that.
Did you get not like that?
I got no es follow na. I got Spanish. What if we do double URL encoding? Oh, it doesn't like percent signs.
Check it out, so.
Yeah, that's like percent and double dots.
Oh, team's
That is
full?
the source.
Did we really get 5 people? Oh yeah, we did. James Bong, Patch,
Yeah.
Portabee user. Kai, you're James Bong.
worries, man.
Sorry, man. I didn't realize. You can still make a team though. And that failed submission is on me. That's completely my fault. Okay, so we
Oh, yeah.
can't
I'll check it out.
use if ... in file name. What if we do single dot? Did we break it? Something wrong. What if we do HTML encoding? No. Oh, I wonder if we're supposed to use that endpoint hurrah HTML and then back up. Do like hurrah HTML. And then this should give me the Spanish thing back actually.
Oh, I got a valid key file name. It's it's index.html question mark file name then equals flag.txt.
Oh, you got it?
Okay.
Index.html.
No, I'm very close, very close. Check
Well,
the,
that was it. Oh,
this thing.
success.
It's close to this.
Dude, this site is so slow. They're probably databuzzing the shit out of it. We are doing the same challenge.
Invalid key file name, so it's just the file
Yeah.
name.
Yeah, the
think
site's
that's
getting
what
DOSed. Did you send it in Town Square? Or where'd you? Oh, just chat.
Just check.
Index.html, file name flag.txt.
So invalid key file name, it could be close because we just need the correct file name now.
It should just be the single slash.
Yeah.
Invalid key file name.
So can you check in burp? I don't have burp.
Yeah, I have burp. Invalid key file. Oh, it's saying it's not valid. It's not a valid parameter.
Fuck.
What if we do A? Index.
Invalid key file.
Oh, man. Invalid key. Okay, so it doesn't like that parameter.
Yeah, because I saw file name at yours, so maybe it's file name just. Maybe it's a string. No, it's not.
Well, when I do ..flag txt, it doesn't work. Let me see if it's pulling, because sometimes, like, if you append CSS to it, it'll work. Like this, favicon.ico. So you can't URL encode it, you can't .. What if we change it to a post request? Does it still... Method not allowed, okay. It has to be a GET request. Invalid key file name, I see that.
Yeah, we need to find the key.
HTML flag.txt. Can we see the web root? Oh shit. Is there robots? No, something went wrong. Whoa. Look at this. This returns, yo droid. Source code.
Oh. Stay with brackets, I tried that.
Yeah.
I can't see clearly which brackets. Yeah. But we have to change it to index, right? Because I'm trying hooray and index both now.
Yes. That return the source code.
Are those curly brackets or what's the name?
Yes.
I tried those. Let me see.
What if it's index.html
Yeah.
slash
Yeah, should be index probably. It's not correct.
dot plus dot flag.txt. %00 null in between, a null byte. Internal server error.
Yeah. Curly bring back source because it skips back to the first page, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Or it's the same. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same.
It's not a PHP wrapper. LFI, WAF, payloads. Let's see. We can't use percents. We can't use dot dot. What if we do index HTML and then A is the host name? Maybe it's a redirect. No percents. It has to be Okay, so you can do XSS? Your input on A returns on the page.
Yeah, but listen, the curly brackets are already the percentage signs when coded to URL, and that's blocked.
I just did normal curly brackets on burp, so this was my payload, and then I was able to get.
Yeah.
I can escape the form.
Yeah. Listen. That's just first page reading your input, because it's skipping. Listen, because there is that a curly brackets when you change them to URL code. It's changed to like %50.
Yeah.
Percent is already banned, so we can't use curly brackets. That's why I think.
Oh, in burp I got it.
On-site
But yeah, that's what it says. Percents banned, and then dot, so that way you can't just like URL encode
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
get LFI. I
Yeah,
wonder
when
if this
you,
has something with it.
Yeah, URL code. That's what I thought. So simple.
Should we, is it like an iframe? Do we have to make an iframe with it? JavaScript iframe, one line to include flag.txt on page.
Yeah, but we would get the I didn't even get the message. No, not like that for the dot or percentage.
Something wrong.
When you did curly brackets, it either skips to first page or you got different input.
Oh. Something wrong. What if we just do sources? Even the iframe shows up as something wrong.
Yeah, I thought at first maybe because it's so obvious. If they say you can't get the flag.txt error, maybe it's some other file, not exactly. Maybe it's impossible to get like that.
I'm trying the dot within the iframe source, but then it's just saying something wrong. I mean, appending that.
I tried once, and it's 9 tries left.
Is flag.txt in the web root, you think? I think so. I think we have to elevate all the way.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
So how do we... Let's see, even if A is in the parameter... If we do this... Oh, it's telling me to pull flag.txt. That's not gonna work. Because I'm making a second request to flag.txt. That won't work because iframe requires client to make source page request. I need the page to include it with what is HTML to include flag.txt in the root there and Linux. Server-side inclusion of the file content. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
We'll take a break and then go to
All right. It's not using. Frick, people are solving it. turn? No, not like that. What is the curly A mean? Is that Python specific? Oh, it's a template. Oh. So what if we do like 7 times 7? Equals A. A equals 7 times 7. Like ginger? Oh, you need to figure out what the keyword is? So maybe like file. Invalid key. File name. So you have to figure out what the key is. Request. This returns to determine key because all source code shows is is that the same for hurrah? No. I'm thinking like page caching. Use XSS to fetch all 5 versions.
We still don't have the key. Suka, what's up?
Yo, I'm trying what?
Okay. They're solving the other one really fast. The other right. Night cloud. You have to just bypass the paying wall for a plan. You're solving that one very fast. Already 75 souls. I'm on both.
Invalid key.
Yeah, can't figure out the key. I was trying B because B is the title, like, oh,
Yeah. It returns invalid key. And stop using crack. Python. Source. Need to get flag.txt. Oh god, it just threw up everywhere. I did the iframe. Oh shit, accidentally did the wrong source code. This is actual source code. Let's do Python Flask directory traversal. What type of encodings? What type of encoding does Python Flask respect? Seems no name. Always errors unless you manually provide a. Ooh, the server crashed. They crashed the server. Yo, EWO. Yo, Z. We tried the iframe. No luck. There we go. Okay, so that's back.
Portabose 8080 says.
Yeah, it crashed for me too.
People are just throwing everything at it. Come on. Oh, I see that. A equals index.html. It sometimes worked.
I can't load it anymore. I'll just keep it I tried with curl.
It's got a 500 internal error, internal server error. Just spamming requests.
It's the Skips dire busting the shit out of it. Not sure why they decided to host the challenge using a Flask with no actual DDoS protection.
Yeah. They're probably using Dirbuster or some type of WAF bypass. WAF bypass. That's actually smart.
What the fuck? I pressed submit again. Here it drives. I mean, fuck.
It'll do a different challenge.
Alright, sounds good. I want to try and...
Back.
That's crazy. They're actually just... Okay, there we go. It's up again. Let's do this. WAF bypass. Tech host equals. What? Oh, it's down again.
We couldn't even move it.
Maybe it's not path, it's WAF. You just need to get flagged TXT. It's probably saying if... I wonder if it's just a capital. I think it would be case sensitive. They should just rate limit by IP so people can't just spam it. But you're right, Porta. There's zero DDoS protection. They just nuked the site. They probably got the flag and then nuked it. People are still solving it. What is going... Alright, I guess we'll just try a different challenge for now. Nightcloud. Your startup just... There's another online one. Your startup just signed up for Nightcloud's enterprise SaaS platform, but the premium features are locked behind a paywall. Security research, even task form, platform cybersecurity. Can you find a way to access a premium analytics dashboard without paying? See if there's a oh, there's a JWT. Watch this. JWT token. Let's see if we can edit the JWT if it's got a value in it. Oh, user. Free. Premium. What if we just change that? Okay, so maybe we have to modify this token. No. What about session data? Oh, there it is. Oh, it's just base 64 decoder. That's probably what it is. Yeah, and then let's do premium, and then let's go to encoder. Encode. What? What if we do admin?
What's that? Oh, it's back the buff.
It's up again?
trying just running shit. Stuff.
Sie kennen mein Test. So,
What up, Sec? Come on. So it requires that. Figure ID 1. No. No algorithm. Nope. Okay, so we'll do this. Let's see, random. Okay, so that did work. Test.com.
Portable 8080 Cess.
Just saw the night cloud.
Night Cloud. Oh, that's what I'm working on right now. Okay. I'm assuming it's. Is it session data or token data that I have to modify? Oh, I bet it's test.
You want me to in?
Not yet. I got token, but token doesn't specify that, so I think it's the session cookie, correct? Just, is that on
Yep.
the right track?
Yep.
And then there's this.
Someone sold.
Yeah. I just want to see if I can get it.
Did you find the soul?
There's subscription free, premium.
That one should be easy. Easier.
I started there too, but I found it was something else, because the site is verifying your session through the token parameter, not session data.
It's verifying it through. And you can't modify the token. Look at the network requests.
Look at the network request when you're in the dashboard.
Dashboard. What is this? Oh, this me endpoint. But that's validating my token. Is it a JavaScript function? No. Not fonts.
Look at the /me request. What initiates it?
Clicking on the dashboard. Or logging in.
Doesn't work again.
What initiates it?
In your browser, who's in charge of sending those requests?
My bad.
Oh, the server. 127.80.80. That's running on localhost. So if the server initiates that, XHR.
XHR initiates the requests. XHR is JavaScript.
Oh, the initiator. I see.
Sie Kinder mein Sess.
That a Flask app by chance? Has a pretty small signature.
I'm not sure if it's Flask. So XHR initiates a JavaScript. Something. Is it with the login, logout?
Portable 8080 Sess.
Yes.
Firefox lets you look at the JS files.
Yes. Test.
Sie Kinder mein Sess.
was just doing stuff recently with Flask on Sign. Why it came to mind.
Here's our token.
Portable
And then it triggers it when you load.
Look at the JS files within the application. Even if Firefox doesn't let you see them like DevTools Chrome, you can still see them through requests.
KiraSec.
After changing value of user, look at the API/me request http:/1.1.304 not modified.
After changing value of user. Using JWT Suka?
Nah. The JSON.
What do you mean user? After changing value of user.
The 1 year cookies.
It should be X control with some of the parameters. Get
Oh.
post, batch, post or delete, and forge the ID. The
The user cookie. User.
Within the website itself.
Within the website?
Yeah, and then open. Wait.
That's
Open
That's
your
what I
HTTP
tried.
Cyber not done to ses.
Yeah, but it doesn't
Sir, please check the
forward.
JSON files
the
with
API.
blobs and batches.
Look at
You're
the
Dante.
CTF channel. I think
Look at the JS files.
Sie Kinder mein ses.
some of
Cyber
those
not
check
access.
all these X control methods.
JavaScript files.
I tried batch, it doesn't work.
Not
Yeah,
JSON.
because options gave me
JS.
this, so we probably got X control. We then with summon this, maybe delete. Because Dante said something about delete. Cannot delete. Okay, maybe.
Saying the JavaScript is triggering it.
Not JSON JavaScript.
I wonder if I'd let you submit the flag even if someone in your team submitted it.
It should. It shouldn't matter. I just want to figure this out for my sake. But this, the local cookie doesn't even get sent.
I don't know how it showed the robots.
It's just the bear token.
Look at index carefully.
Look at index carefully. Not utils in.
says.
Secret internals do not use or you will be fired isn't a red flag. Dick.
Translated from Dutch.
Oh.
Portable 8000.
Oh.
Look
Internal
at it in the
V1
Firefox
migrate user
settings
tier.
so you can beautify it.
Sie kennen mein says.
Oh, that's
Don't
within
firewall //
API. Post API. Missing parameters.
Oder MZ says.
Hey Smile, what's the challenge name?
Night Cloud. Oh.
Oh, this?
Sie kennen mein says.
Send an empty request.
Cyber not done to says.
Oh, smart.
There's another challenge now called Night Shop again.
That's
Sie kennen mein
still
says.
says missing parameters.
It might tell you what parameters it needs.
KiraSec
I
says.
found API
Colon
internal
and
V1
API slash
Migrate
internal slash
user
V1
here.
slash migrate slash user tier.
and
Method.
JavaScript.
Host. Body. U. User root here. T. Premium. Valid tiers. Free. Premium. Enterprise. Data W. V. Dot create root document dot get element by a root. Render F. Dot
That hint is way too
Where are you
vague.
showing that? I don't see
Oder
it now.
MZ says.
Ah, wait, let me send it.
Any idea yet?
Sie kennen mein says.
User ID.
Oh, Kia K-Gov.
Yeah.
UNT.
Do you know the admin mail or something?
Nope.
We're missing Vera.
KiraSec says.
Semicolon.
True.
I just found it myself.
Sie kennen mein says.
Nice.
Interesting.
Yo, my bad.
No, you're good. It threw me off with the cookies. I was too focused on that.
Cyber not done to says.
Great success.
Sie kennen
Great
mein says.
success.
Go Team Cool Story Bob.
JavaScript, 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 JavaScript.
Cool face emoji.
You managed super good.
Yep, let me send you.
Solo or
Does this
teams.
seem- no. Okay, that's cool. Teams. I disregard JavaScript too much.
Yeah, I just
Night
So
Shop
you
again
put
challenge worth
premium.
400 plus.
what? How did you?
Ah, wait.
How did you put that together? Did you just look at the
Yeah, what did
JavaScript
you-
and then like there was so much going on?
Here.
Is WAF back?
JavaScript
I
files
was just
where all the
trying to
items
forge
live at.
premium. Like
Where all the idols live at.
request.
Are you looking for like endpoints, Dante?
WAF looks interesting. Smile, smile.
Like, what are you seeing for the idols? And yes, this should be interesting. We tried this one earlier. We have to get a file read.
Cyber not done to says.
Yes, sir. Sometimes I'll just restrict Burp Suite history to JavaScript files only and search for slash.
Oh.
Sie kennen mein
So it's
says.
also
That's smart. Anytime you see API in an app, always start scraping data from JavaScript. So
Always start scraping
Give
data
you
I
all
from
gotta go walk
JavaScript.
the dog.
Oh, that's cool.
Almost everything you need to
Alright,
do
Gak. We'll see you soon. Oh, that's a good tip. Okay. I was sleeping on that for show. Something went wrong.
JSON Finder is a great tool for that.
MZZ.
Jason Link
Setter
Finder.
/ past FTW.
Translated from German.
JS Link Finder. Ooh. Oh, it's on Portswigger too. Okay. Let's I'll use that. We'll definitely use that. New folder. Work tools. Cool. I will try that out and report back to you. Title B. Index file name string. I keep saying something went wrong. See this one WAF, I think it's that blocks it. We need to get, you can't get the 5txt. Is that web root or Linux root? I'm gonna guess web root.
Cyber not done to set.
E-commerce challenge. Time to get free stuff.
All the loot. App after request definition index. Okay, so it's calling definition index file name string index.html or comma file name. Invalid key.
Oder MZZ.
Ian,
Cyber not done to set.
Flag.
ONDM.
B.
Cookies like a little funky to me.
Oder MZZ.
Korean.html.
Translated from Spanish.
The cookies look funky. Invalid key. Well, we know that that works. Or it should. Oh no. Did they dox it again or DOS it? No, something wrong.
Cyber not done to set.
Sorry, I'm doing a different challenge, I think. The
No,
Night
all
Shop
good.
Challenge.
The night shop again. Oh yeah, that's separate. We're doing WAF. It's file name, not the parameter or the key.
KiraSec.
James Bond.
James Bond.
Invalid key.
This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost.
Invalid key is blank. With the null byte.
We've lost hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. I can live through. We've lost dancing. This next 6 months. Dancing. Day by day. We've lost dancing. If I can live through this. We've lost dancing.
Is it command injection?
Next will be marvelous.
No.
Sie kennen Mindset. Translated.
No, the site's up. Who's KiraSec? Oh,
Translated.
You are.
sick in the mind. I was confused. It came across on the restream as KiraSec. I was thrown. Invalid key.
Success.
Just solved night shop as well.
Just solved night shop. He's not being left in the dust. I think this is. Is this some type of traversal?
Oder MZS.
It's Python, so I think SSTI.
I've tried SSTI.
Sie kennen Mindset.
It reflected when you put file name equals. Thinking spin the error.
Oder MZS.
Reflected text plus Python equals.
Oh, would it be LFI in here? Or SSTI right here? Invalid key? Or like this?
Portable 8008 Success.
I've been trying the WAP challenge. Since it's up, let me try again.
Marvelous.
Input A. It's taking that. So if you do curly bracket A, it'll work. Curly bracket A equals 7 times 7. I thought it might be SSTI. But the WAF is blocking ... and percentage, which refers to LFI or directory traversal. just says something wrong. Or maybe it's like this in the URI. No.
Got a flag?
You did?
Yep.
If you do that, then it returns, I think, the Spanish response. Yes. Python. Concat. Plus. Oh. No. And we can't URL encode it. Because it blocks the double dots. And this gets sent. B. Why would it be called B? is a valid key though, right? Or do you have to figure out what the valid key is? Not SSTI. Maybe it's command injection? I thought that might have worked. Invalid keys. I've been trying the WAF challenge since it's up. Let me try again. That's what I've been doing as well.
Oder MZS.
Maybe blind OS injection? Try sleep.
Well, the valid key would be. We know that works. Input your name. Submitting a GET request from here with input A. Then you press submit. It doesn't send A though. That's the thing. Is when it goes to her oops. Something wrong. we do a null byte, does that break it? What if we do a null byte on A? That doesn't do anything. Invalid key, so the null byte works. Oh, D worked. No? Oh, never mind. I just, bricked it. E, F, G. Is it gonna be a letter? B.
Param minor.
It could be, yeah.
Sie kennen mein Cess.
Fuff.
Translated from German.
Let's do copy URL.
B as in key. I tried with the big B because it's typo, but it didn't work. But I didn't have a
Yeah. Okay. Fuzz. Oh wait, not flag.txt, we just leave that blank.
I'll watch you a bit while I do partitions.
Parameter names. Sea salt. Try harder. Fuck off. No way.
Oder HMZZ.
Almost.
Sie kennen mein Cess.
Dude, get out of here. What, did they predict this? OSCP? No way.
Wiederhaben success.
This might be
Feels
it.
forward, I think KFW.
Wait, what? Hold on. Tag filter words 3. Parameters. Oh, 41 because
Sie kennen mein Cess.
Prob got to do a string filter.
sea salt. A string filter.
Your word count should work.
I'm gonna go have lunch with my neighbors soon. That's great that they clock that. That's probably not the right way then if they're saying try harder. Your word count should work.
Or it is the right way and they wanted you to get hung up on 200s.
Alright, I'm gonna leave here in 15. Oh, I will for sure 100% be back though on this after. Damn, so they caught this. Sea salt equals a or 1, 2, 3, 4 horada HTML. So maybe sea salt isn't the method? Why does that work? Brackets?
Too much tome use. Don't think about it too
I'm
much.
trying not. One bracket though does that.
Too much.
Portable 8008 success.
Yeah, it does.
Freaking server keeps timing out.
Wait a minute. Yeah, charge my phone. Hold on. Leaving here in 10. It says it's UTF-8. So I thought maybe that was a hint to getting it to read. Or it's returning that index page as a template, right? So this. If we do a percent sign, does it block it? It's in Flask nature. I ran a simple web CTF before using Flask, and it doesn't handle multiple connections very well when you run these sorts of brute force parameters. Since I can handle a little brute force.
Since they can handle a little brute force. It's annoying.
So when you do this,
KiraSec.
It'll be RB in an hour.
okay, I'm gonna go to lunch very soon as well. App after request, index file name. When I do this, it returns this. What is significance of curly A? Is it if it is calling a template, but it's not template injection? It's doing string substitution. Oh, that's what somebody just said.
Did you manage to do something?
Not yet.
Where's Super?
He said he'll be back in an hour.
I want to try, or at least see the API one. It's something with it. You find the key at least.
Oder MZZ.
If you want I try Manus 6 way, you better, and I'll give you free credits to start.
Okay, Manus AI. will though. Let's make an after lunch. Make sure. I'll do this. Bookmark toolbar. So when I come back, I'll have that set up.
Give them the link smile. Hey, well, interact with the challenge smile.
This is tough. Curly A, curly.
In fact, these
Is there
smiles are
other-
challenge from you once.
Index.php. Are there other files? That returned at 200. What? How to do traversal in Flask without ... or %. Oh. I think curly A though, no? No. We can escape it and do XSS. But that's client side. What if we run it with RockU? What if sea salt's the right key and now we need the right? Because we know sea salt works. Or they coded that. I got like 3 minutes and then. Oh, I gotta go. Well, I'll be back in like an hour. Not yet.
Solve it. 1.
I triggered some edge case with sea salt parameter on index, capital C, capital S.
together in one solve it.
Isn't comics the RCE mapper? Sea Salt Try Harder. What the fuck? It knew. Give me Python string substitution payloads to test for an error that prints out my input. Invalid key.
Portable 8080 Cess.
Other web one
The
solved.
other web ones
Okay.
are solved, not this one.
Alright, fuck. I gotta go. Alright. I'll be back on like an hour and a half. Oh, god damn it. No. That's not good. Why did YouTube not stay on Fred again? Uh-oh. Please don't block me. Okay. Alright. I'll be back on after lunch. I'm just gonna leave my computer on but kill the stream, so I'll see you all very shortly.
KiraSec Cess.
No, didn't get banned on YouTube again. I was just worried because I looped the Fred again thing, but for some reason it didn't stick.